Welcome back to Black Hill Intelligence. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics for anyone looking to make extra cash or even build a full-time income. How to make money using nothing but your smartphone. Yep, that's right. With just the phone in your hand, you have access to countless opportunities to earn, hustle, and grow your financial freedom. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a creative outlet, or a full-time gig, I'm going to show you some proven ways to start making money from the comfort of your couch, the coffee shop, or wherever you are right now. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start earning directly from your phone. Let's get into it. Number 1. Freelance gigs on apps. With just a smartphone, you can tap into freelance work using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. These apps allow you to offer services such as graphic design, writing, social media management, and virtual assistants, among other tasks. Thanks to the flexibility of smartphones, you can manage and communicate with clients on the go, ensuring you never miss out on opportunities. Many tasks can be completed directly from your phone, such as creating designs with apps like Canva, drafting documents with Google Docs, or managing social media accounts using Instagram and Facebook's native apps. The key is to identify your skill set and package it in a way that appeals to a target market. Offering niche services like copy editing, digital marketing consultation, or quick graphic design jobs can get you started quickly. As your portfolio grows, so will your client base, and all you need is the right app, determination, and your smartphone. Number 2. Content creation. Content creation on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok can be incredibly lucrative, and all you need is your smartphone. You don't need fancy equipment. Many successful creators started with nothing but their phone's camera. Start by identifying your niche. It could be anything from tech reviews, lifestyle vlogging, or tutorials to comedy skits. For YouTube, your phone's video camera is good enough to produce high-quality content, and with apps like KineMaster, Adobe Premiere Rush, or InShot, you can edit directly on your smartphone. For Instagram and TikTok, short, creative videos can quickly go viral, boosting your follower count. Once you've built an audience, monetization opportunities like ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing come into play. Content creation takes consistency, creativity, and persistence, but it's a field with huge earning potential, especially with a phone in hand. You can showcase your daily life, share your expertise, or entertain. The options are endless. Number 3. Online surveys and market research. Another way to make money with just your smartphone is by participating in online surveys or market research. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions and are willing to pay for them. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars allow users to earn money by completing surveys, watching ads, or engaging in small tasks. While this may not make you rich, it's a simple way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. You can do this while commuting, during breaks, or even while relaxing at home. These apps often offer various payout methods, such as direct PayPal transfers, gift cards, or even Bitcoin. The more you participate, the more money you can earn. Additionally, participating in focus groups or app testing through platforms like user testing could lead to higher payouts. These microtasks are easy to complete from your smartphone and don't require any special skills, making them accessible to anyone looking to earn a little extra on the side. Number 4. Sell photos or videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, you can turn your smartphone into a tool for earning money. High-quality smartphone cameras make it possible to capture professional-grade photos and videos that can be sold on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Fope, or Adobe Stock. These sites allow you to upload your media, and when companies or individuals purchase them, you earn a royalty. To succeed in this field, it's important to focus on trending niches or in-demand subjects such as landscapes, cityscapes, lifestyle photos, or even footage of everyday objects. Using apps like Lightroom Mobile or Snapseed, you can edit your photos directly on your phone to make them more appealing. The beauty of this model is that once your photos are online, they have the potential to generate passive income over time as more and more people purchase them. Your smartphone can be your gateway to building a growing portfolio of stock media, giving you financial returns for your creative work. Number 5. Dropshipping or print on demand. Setting up an e-commerce store with dropshipping or print on demand is a smart way to start a business without inventory, and all you need is your smartphone. Using platforms like Shopify, you can create a storefront and sync it with suppliers that handle product fulfillment. For dropshipping, you choose products to sell in your store, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the item directly to them. For print on demand, you design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and when someone orders, the product is printed and shipped by the supplier. The benefit of these models is that they require little to no upfront investment. You can manage the entire process, from customer service to marketing, right from your phone. Apps like Shopify or Printify allow you to run your business efficiently. With the power of social media marketing and ads, you can drive traffic to your store and start generating sales, all from your smartphone. By the way, if you're finding these tips helpful so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people looking to earn money from their phones. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got plenty more tips and strategies coming your way. Number 6. Investing and trading. Investing has become more accessible than ever with smartphone apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash. These apps allow you to trade stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies without needing large amounts of capital. Robinhood offers commission-free trades, making it an attractive platform for beginners. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change, while Stash helps beginners with curated investment options based on their goals. With these apps, you can start with as little as $1 and gradually grow your portfolio over time. Many of these apps also offer educational resources to help you make informed decisions, reducing the risk associated with investing. While the market can be volatile, disciplined investing through your smartphone can lead to significant long-term gains. It's a convenient way to start building wealth passively by letting your money work for you, even while you sleep. Number 7. Virtual tutoring or language lessons. If you have expertise in a particular subject or are fluent in a second language, virtual tutoring is an excellent way to make money using just your smartphone. Platforms like VipKid, Italki, and Cambly allow you to teach students from around the world, offering lessons in subjects such as English, math, or science. With tools like Zoom, Skype, or built-in video apps, you can conduct live sessions directly from your phone. Many of these platforms allow you to set your own schedule and rates, giving you flexibility. Teaching can be a rewarding experience, and if you establish a regular group of students, it can also become a stable source of income. Furthermore, if you're skilled in a language, you can offer conversational practice or structured lessons to individuals looking to improve their language skills. With your smartphone and a good internet connection, virtual tutoring offers a convenient and profitable opportunity. Number 8. Sell used items. Decluttering your home can be profitable if you use smartphone apps like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Depop to sell your used items. With just a few photos and a description, you can list everything from clothes and electronics to furniture or collectibles. eBay is ideal for reaching a global audience, while Facebook Marketplace is great for local sales where you can arrange in-person pickups. Depop is popular for selling fashion and vintage items. The entire selling process, from listing to communicating with buyers to managing transactions, can be done directly on your phone. This method is not only a way to make quick money, but also a sustainable way to recycle items you no longer need. Many people have turned selling used items into a side business or even a full-time venture, simply using their smartphones. Whether you're cleaning out your closet or flipping garage sale finds, your phone can help you turn unwanted goods into cash. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral links. With apps like Amazon Associates or ShareSale, you can start promoting products you already use and love on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or a blog hosted on your smartphone. The key is to find products that align with your audience's interests. You can incorporate affiliate links into content, such as tutorials, reviews, or product recommendations, and get paid when people make purchases using your links. The best part, you don't need to handle any inventory or customer service, making it a low-risk way to make money with minimal setup. Affiliate marketing can become a significant income stream over time, especially as your audience and influence grow. With your smartphone, you can monitor your clicks, commissions, and even create content to boost affiliate sales, all while on the move. Number 10. App testing or reviews. Many companies are willing to pay users to test their apps or websites for usability and functionality, and you can do this with just your smartphone. Platforms like User Testing offer opportunities to earn money by testing new apps, websites, or software. You simply sign up, perform a series of tasks on the app or website, and provide feedback on your experience. Some tests require recording your screen and voice as you navigate, while others may ask for written feedback. This type of work is ideal for people who enjoy trying new technology and have a keen eye for detail. Payouts for these tests can vary, but they generally offer more money than online surveys or microtasks. You can take these tests from anywhere, and all you need is your smartphone, a stable internet connection, and a few minutes of free time. Testing apps is a fun and easy way to earn extra cash. Alright, that's a wrap for today. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to start making money with just your smartphone. Whether it's through freelancing, content creation, or even selling your old stuff, there are so many ways to turn your phone into a money-making machine. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who could use these tips. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. I've got a lot more content coming to help you level up your financial game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.